Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, April the 3rd, 2020. We sure hope you're all keeping well and safe with the ongoing COVID-19 situation. First of all, we just released a great resource that is, it's a compilation of the best videos that Darko has ever produced for our Coach's Corner members. And I'll give you more information at the end of this video, but yeah, definitely something to check out. In the meantime, for this week's video, I just have to show you a trade that's set up as both a day trade and a swing trade on the same currency pair, the Aussie Canadian dollar. And the day trade lost, but the swing trade is a winner, actually still going on. But it was really an annoying loss for our day traders. Not because it was a loss, but because of how it happened, which I'll explain in this video. So let me show you what transpired. Okay, I'll show you the day trade first, and let's take a look in the premium charts here. It makes it easier to see. Darko posts screenshots of all of our pending order trades way in advance so that members can take advantage of them. And the screenshot just gives a nice visual picture. So both the day trade and the swing trade set up on April 1st, and unfortunately the day trade, for that day trade, the market made April Fools out of us. I'll show you this. Here it is right here. It was the, right here. See this? The Aussie CAD ACAT set and forget short. Okay, so if I click on that, here's what he saw. Like, we had a great level. Okay, this was, like I say, both an advanced candle action trade, or ACAT as we call it, and it was also what we call set and forget setup. A great trade setup at a level that had been on Darko's radar. This wasn't the first time he'd mentioned that level. So you can see that there was a level, this dotted line here. You see, that's the same on all the charts, monthly, weekly. Here's the daily. This red candle here, this very negative candle, that's the ACAT setup as per our rules. And then on the hourly chart, which is our entry time frame, we're looking to sell it right here, 87.21 minus a front run. So just call it 87.19.20. And our stop goes above here. Now, if we go to the charts, this is the 1 hour chart. Here was where we were looking to sell with a higher high stop loss. Okay. And just look what happened. You see this spike right here? Actually, it started from way down here and went straight up. We're all looking at it going, what the heck's going on here? And there was a sudden gush of bids for the Australian dollar. We're not really sure what caused it, actually. Obviously, a lot of bidding. Central bank, who knows? But that spiked up the price right to our stop. I mean, look at where it went to, and our stop was above here. And some people were literally stopped out to the pip, and then price dropped well over 120 pips. I think there was about a 40 pip initial risk. It was like more than 3 to 1. Now look, yes, this is super annoying, okay? You have a great level, a valid pattern, you do everything right, and this happens. But this is trading. Okay, don't ever forget that we never know what's going to happen next. All you can do is take valid setups where the odds are in your favor and manage your trade properly. Okay, this was an unexpected, sudden move that nobody saw coming. And this is why it's so important to always risk only a very small percentage of your account. Now, as I mentioned, this was also a swing trade. Again, let's go to the premium service charts, and we'll just close this one, and we'll go to our swing trading tab. And here's the same trade right here, April 1st, Aussie CAD set and forget short. Click on that. And now this time, that same great level on the monthly and the weekly chart that we see. And then up here is the 4 hour chart. And of course, the candles look different because it's a 4 hour chart. Now we're trying to sell it here with a higher high stop. Okay. So it had about, I think, a 96 pip stop. I have that jotted down here, but huge profit potential because you're looking for a weekly opposing level for your profit. So, you know, let's have a look at it. I'll just go to my daily chart and show you, or my live chart, and I'll show you what's going on here. So this is where the sell was on the 4 hour with a higher high stop loss, and look at this nice move down here. Okay, so this thing has moved down very, very nicely. So, you know, depending on your trading style, you either took an annoying loss as a day trader or you have a decent run so far. This is still going on as a swing trader. In fact, this trade's been up by 195 pips, more than a 2 to 1 reward risk as I'm recording this, which is on Thursday, April the 2nd, okay? And we have NFP coming out, non-farm payrolls coming out tomorrow morning, Friday, April the 3rd. And price hit this very, very nice level of support. Why is this a nice level? This is a 4-hour because you see this closing price here? That's the lowest it would go, and it exploded to the upside and kept going. This is a good level to look to target, and that gave you a 2-to-1 reward risk trade on that, which is pretty nice. Okay, so nothing wrong with saying thank you very much and closing the trade, but that's an individual decision, of course. Either way, definitely not a losing trade as a swing trader. Now listen, as I said in the introduction, we have released a super video library called the Ultimate Coach's Corner Forex Video Library. And I'd really encourage you to take a look at it. There's a link in the text below this video or in the email that you received. I obviously know what's in it because I put it together, right? And that's why I can very confidently tell you that this is a great video collection. And it contains all the information you need to learn all about the setups that Darko comes up with in his pre-market analysis videos every single day. You know, why does he pick certain levels and not others, and what do the patterns look like, and so on. So yeah, if you click the link to the video library, you'll be able to see everything that's in this resource, and you'll see for yourself how good the information is that is contained in it. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd sure appreciate that because it really helps our YouTube algorithm for rankings so that we can reach more people. And be sure to follow us and click that little bell so that you'll be notified whenever we put out a new video. Thanks again, everyone. And remember, you know, with the COVID-19 pandemic, we're all in this together. So please be sure to do your part. Okay, stay safe, everyone. Take care.